Hey you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I do this Dogman step by step on Scratch. Let's go! Okay, let's start by drawing a circle for Dogman's head and let's make it more of an oval. And then we can draw his snout or his muzzle. And let's reshape that too. Now, after we're done reshaping, we can sort of thicken it up. After that, we're going to start his mouth. So to do that, we're going to grab the square tool and we're going to set it to a really dark red. Then let's draw a square or a rectangle. And let's just quickly reshape it. And after we're done with that, we can add in a tongue. So for the tongue, we make it like a nice pink, and let's just reshape it to fit the mouth. And to make it look like it's flying, you can tilt it more to the side like that, so it makes it look like it's flying out of the air. And just reshape until you think it looks nice. After we're done with this, let's start adding in the eyes. And Dogman's eyes are just little lines, so you don't need to get too detailed on this. After we position the eye, we can just copy paste it and so that it's like the same size and shape, and make it white, so like a little highlight. So we can add an eyebrow for Dogman, and then we're gonna copy paste the eyes. Of course, you could just draw another eye, but I just usually copy paste them. And we're gonna add a little nose. Also, make sure to add a highlight to the nose. And he also has these like black dots on the cheeks, so let's just add those. Here are the black dots. Okay, so now color pick the color you did for the skin and use the circle tool to add ears. And now quickly reshape them to look like ears and just copy paste the ear to make the second one. Now we're going to pick a nice blue shade and use the square tool to make his body. And we're going to delete one of the points to make a triangle and reshape it. Okay, so now we're going to grab a different shade of blue and we're going to reshape it to make it look like a leg. And then we're going to pick a dark brown for his shoe, and we're going to use the oval tool or the circle tool. Then we're going to do the same thing, and this leg, we're going to sort of tilt it and it's going to be bent. So the shoe would be on the back layer, so let's just quickly draw in the shoe and let's put it to the back layer. Now let's draw in the hands. But first let's just quickly refine it, and when we're done and we're satisfied with the image, let's color pick the color we use for the shirt, and let's just draw a rectangle and let's make it diagonal, and we're going to reshape it to make it look like an arm. And then we're going to color pick the color we use for the skin, and then we're going to make a little circle for the arm. And let's just do the same thing. Let's make a rectangle from the arm, put it to the back layer, and then reshape it and sort of bend it. And then grab that same dog skin tone and then add a circle. Don't forget the logo on Dogman's shirt. And we're done. Hope you liked how your drawing turned out, and I hope that you had fun while drawing him. And if you want to draw a different character, please let me know which character you want me to draw in the comments. Goodbye!